The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, under the glove box. Remove the 2 screws that secure the foam portion of the footwell roof. Pull the foam straight down to remove it. The cabin air filter is located here. Open the filter housing by unlatching the clip on the right. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the back of the car. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits. Reclip the housing door. Reinstall the foam panel by aligning the holes. Start with the left side. When in the right position, be sure to tuck the edges. Reinstall the screws.
For the best price, visit undercarexperts.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.